Hello everyone, welcome to Canning Coffee. Here we have a pasquini livietta espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was pretty much, it just needed a tune-up. So we just replaced the gasket, we cleaned the screen. As you can see, it totally needed good clean. Some pictures, wait. And we just scaled the machine and yeah, just give it a tune-up. We deep cleaned the portafilter and the group head, and the group head was a little bit dirty. Okay, this is a picture. You can kind of see over here, and that's the different machine. And that's the shower screen as well, and that's how it looked pretty much inside. And it was just dirty. It definitely needed a tune-up. So let's test it out. Let's start with one shot of espresso. Hopefully I got the grind correctly with this machine. Otherwise it's barely gonna drip. We did say we can go a little bit more coarser with this machine. As you can see, it's struggling a little bit to pour out the shot, but it's keeping up pretty good. And now for the steamer. And there you have it. Pasquini livietta working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for preparing Mechanic Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.